Hey everyone, this is the Energizer collapsible pop-up lantern and area light combo and 50 rounds of 9mm. All the money will be sent over to Miss Tammy to help out. 10 at 4. We'll copy our list. Go live. 623. Paste our list. Roll our dice. Need a 4 or higher. 623. We got a 7. 624 now. 7 times. 10 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 items on the list. Miss Amanda on top. Mr. Landon on the bottom. We've randomized 6 times. Dice called for a 7. 624. Final time. Good luck, everyone. Mr. Joel Carroll, spot 2. 10 items, 7 times, 7 on the dice. Congrats, Mr. Joel. We are done at 624. Thanks, everyone.